My name's Dr. John Polovich. I'm a family physician. I'm the Rural Doctors UBC Chair in Rural Health. I help support multiple communities in north central British Columbia, where I'm part of a multidisciplinary healthcare team that provides support for many marginalized, remote Indigenous communities. So there's a very exciting project going on right now with UBC in the community of Stilatin First Nation, as well as the village of Fraser Lake, looking at drone technology and how it can influence the medical supply chain. Through drone technology, we're hoping to understand how we can positively influence getting medical supplies of a broad range to these communities. We need to embrace this technology now, not unlike we did with video technology over a decade ago, to start to understand what's possible. Technology keeps expanding. I think the important part for us all to remember and keep focused on are the relationships between the people. We have to always put patients and providers at the center of all the work we do.